What's going on, guys? Mike with NRG Creative. So here is the installation video for the vent for the CF Moto, and this applies to both sides. When you get your vent in the mail, it's also going to come with a couple of different things, but a couple of them are screws. So the first thing you want to do is this little area right here where you've got two screws. I'll get in here and show you. So right in here are the screw holes. Now these are used for several different things, but even if you've got the Super ATV windshield that uses a bracket here, you can still put this on top of it. But you're going to want to run these screws into these holes before you put the mount on, because these are painted from the factory and they are tight. So go ahead and run these in there so you've got a good free thread. So just run them down, and it's going to take a 4mm Allen wrench. Just go ahead and run these all the way down. That way you make sure that it's going to install easier. All right, so now that you've got the screws run in there, go ahead and back them back out, take them out. And you see you've got a little tapered area that goes towards the driver. This is going to go right here. Go ahead and get one of your screws in. I suggest starting with the bottom. Just get it started. Get your top one in the hole. Now you can go ahead and tighten them down. Now this bottom one's a little tough to get to, so if you have an extension, I recommend it. Now listen, guys, I know you guys are used to really cranking down on things on this, but you don't have to really put a lot of force in this. You just need them snug. So you don't want to break the plastic, you don't want to cross thread anything, and you don't want to snap a bolt off in there. These are just snug and it's completely solid. It's not moving anywhere. All right, guys, so that is the finished install. They are available in different colors, and of course it will come with the bug screen, which you can use. And of course, if you want to block it off, if you've got your windshield open, there's no point to have this. You can do the enclosed cap. And of course, both of these will secure with thumb screws on the sides, so they won't get lost, but you will have to undo them to change caps. That's the install, guys. Here's what it looks like from the front. So from inside the cab, you can see it's right here. Here's your steering wheel. So you're going to have air coming through here. Be sure to look for the video that on the test on this, and I'll have streamers on here to show you airflow and so on. That's how you install it, guys. So I've got them available for driver's side and passenger side.